Que rollo macetones, is your boy Johnny Cash, aka Johnny LSX. We're here at my fucking shop. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my fucking personal build, my Sierra SS clone. Most of you guys know already, I sold my tennis ball, the original tennis ball, to my boy Jerry Tweaks. Make sure to enter his giveaway. He has a giveaway going on with that fucking truck, so make sure you enter for a chance to win my old truck, our old shop truck. That color is sick. It's not a fucking wrap, and it's a custom color that we came up with. There's no color code for that one at all, but I do have the formula for it, and I do know how to mix it. So in near future, if I ever want to recreate that truck of version 2.0, I have the ability to do it all over again. So but anyways, that's in the future. So now what we're focusing on is my personal truck, which is the Sierra SS clone. I believe the last video I fucking uploaded on that truck was when I did I think it was like the quick release setup. The reason why I did that is because right here in Vegas, there's a lot of fucking dirtbags that go around stealing your fucking mamalonas. And they already tried stealing the fucking tow pig one outside of fucking Sam's Club. Shout out to that fucking asshole, he couldn't take it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that truck right now. And then from there, we're gonna go to my homie's paint store. We're gonna go to my homie's paint store, and you guys, we got good news. My homie at the paint store went ahead and sponsored me the paint for that truck. He sponsored it. It's totally gonna be free. You know, so all I need now is gonna be someone to sponsor the suspension. I know how to do suspension work, but I'm talking about doing that 3-link, that 4-link shit. That's what I don't know how to do. I'm not gonna lie, and I don't want to, you know, do it myself and then I end up fucking crashing and dying out of nowhere and shit. So fuck that. Looking somebody to sponsor the audio and then the suspension. After that is gonna be ready. You guys aren't ready for that extended cab. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys the truck, and then we're gonna head out to the paint store. Shit, I don't know what the fuck is that noise in the back. They're over there mining for gold and shit. But anyways, check it out. I got both of my extended cabs right here. Woo, this just dropped. Panty dropper. Yo no más. That shit's dropped a la verga. I think I need a new front bumper. Nah, I can fix that one. The grill's missing because it's HD. We do have it inside the shop. My sponsorship over at Street Concept, I believe we're gonna get a hood. If not, I'm gonna go just with the HD or get a cow hood or a custom hood from Street Concept. Let's see, the claddings are all from Street Concept as well. The rear bumper's from Street Concept. You guys are wondering why the bed is fucking off, because I'm gonna go ahead and seal all the claddings up. So all these gaps right here, I'm gonna seal them all up like how I did on the tennis ball, all of them. And also because I had to sand the back of the cab. We still got a little bit more sanding to do. As you guys can see right here, bodywork on this side. That side needs to get fucking fixed as well. You guys can see that little dent right here. This side as well. The claddings, you guys are wondering what's up with the fucking claddings. I install them the same way Street Concept does. Actually, he's the guy that actually showed me how to install them. So I do it the exact same way. Open this door. Oh fuck, my fingers. Door panels are missing. This door, the original color of this door, I guess it was in an accident by the previous owner and they replaced the door because this door is actually white. And then right here, I don't know what the fuck happened all up in here. I guess the seal kept coming off and then just fucking put some type of glue to hold it on. I don't know what. Gotta replace this handle, so I gotta open it from the fucking inside. As you guys can see, this door panel is also missing. All the shit's in here, the glass. Un cochinero que tengo aquí a la verga. The sunroof, I'm thinking about putting a sunroof. I never had a truck with a sunroof, so this might be the first one with one. Then I gotta fix that little catcher. There's a little hinge right here that makes that noise. It's loose, so it squeaks. The front windshield is fucking cracked. I don't know how it happened or what, so don't even ask me. And then the color that we're going on this shit is gonna be a fucking green, you guys. So me and my buddies over at the paint store, we've been making so far like 5 colors, 5 types of green. We came up with 3, but I didn't want to be, you know, so close to the color that I did for my boy Jerry. As you guys know, I did his 17 La Bucanas. It used to be black, now it's green. This door hasn't been replaced. It's the original door. There's the quick release steering wheel. If you guys are wondering what the fuck this is, so basically you hold the pin down and then releases back. Put the pin back in, put it in, and then it's on there. It's safe. So, and then I also have the lock for it. There's a lock that goes there on the hub, so people can't steal the fucking truck. But anyways, this truck is going on intros. It's going on 26s, 26 by 12 with an 8-inch lip. On the front, 26x9, I believe. So I am looking for somebody that knows how to do, what is it, the 3-link, 4-link, I don't know, shorten the diff, all that good shit on this build. My sponsorship, he sponsored the paint. So I just got to do basically the labor, which is bodywork, prep, all that shit, primer, and then shoot the paint. So shout out to my sponsorship over at Genesis Auto Paint Supplies. They sponsored the green. I just got to choose what green, because like I said, we made 5 different type of greens. So that's that. Shout out to my other sponsorship, Street Concept, for the complete SS kit except the front bumper. The wing, he gave me the wing. I'm just waiting on the hood. I don't know if I should get a hood or what. I'm still, 50-50, because I do want to go like a clean, slick look, just on intros, I don't know. And I got a couple of other sponsorship as well. Max Speed Rod, shout out for the drop kit. They sponsored the drop kit on this build as well. I got 3 light companies. Chulo, the LED plug, he sponsored the interior lights. Bolsla, they sponsored the headlights, the LED ones. And then the other sponsorship, they sponsored the 3rd brake light, which is not on there yet. So stay tuned for that video. I got to do, the review and installation video on that, for that video, for that light, I mean. But anyways, this is the truck right here, little fucking update. Let's go ahead and head out to the paint store so you guys get an idea of what the fuck I'm talking about, what type of greens, so you guys get a better understanding of how this truck is going to come out and how is it going to look. So let's go to the fucking store. So we made it here, you guys, to my homie's paint store. It's called Genesis Auto Body Supply, located here in fucking Vegas, Nevada. So this is one of the paint stores that I go to, Genesis Auto Body. Here's their contact information. They sell pretty much everything from stands for hoods, for masking machines, you name it. They sell all types of stuff here. And if you guys want like a custom color or anything, you could always message me, or you can message them, call them right there. But anyways, this is where I'll be doing my crazy mixes, one of the paint stores. But let's go inside so you guys should check it out. So they got pretty much everything right here. They got sprays, they got adhesives, they got clear coats, they got your polishing compounds, sandpaper, more clear, more sandpaper for block DA, more shit, more clear, more sandpaper. Right here they got your body fillers. You got more clear, your glaze, all types of shit they got here. This is my other homie right here. Hell yeah. Oh, I need one of these. Caught one of these right here. They got gloves, everything. More clear. Compromiso. And then right here, this is where they do all the mixing. If you guys are wondering, this spot right here, this is where my boy Street Concept gets all this shit at to do you guys' wings, your hoods, your fucking SS claddings, you name it. They come over here. I plugged them up, so even the man himself gets stuff right here. Actually, I think I have to pick up one of the hoods. I think it's here somewhere. The hood, huh? So Street Concept hood is here as we speak. You guys are wondering what the fuck is it doing here? It's because I still got to do one of his trucks. He's been busy, I've been busy. But here's Street Concept's hood right there. I gotta take that, and also I believe a wing. The wing's somewhere here, but I'm gonna pick it up probably tomorrow because it is Saturday. Got everything right here. Then my boy Hugo, he used to work. ¿Se quedó Hugo? Más o menos. He made this one. Look at that. And the sol. There you go. So these are the 3 samples we did the first time, but I didn't want to be, something too close to my boy Jerry. You guys know how I painted the green 17, La Bucanas. I didn't want nothing close to that color, but these are the 3 colors that we came up with. So we have the top one that's darker, this one's lighter, and the one on the right is in between. But you can see the different type of pearls that the paint has. This one's more coarse, this one's more fine. What I mean about that is the size of the pearls. You see these ones right here? They're more coarse, it has more, and this one's fine. And then this one has in between. But you can see the difference between all 3 of them. Like I mentioned before in this fucking video right here, the top one's darker, and this one's lighter, and then this one's in between. The camera barely catches it, you guys, but we came up with these colors first, but that's when I decided to change my mind, and that's when we made 2 additional colors. And this is how all 5 colors that we did look like, you guys. I brought it to the shade because colors change during the light and during day and night. So this one, as you can see, it looks darker than this one right here, and then this one. But now when you take it out to broad daylight, that's when the color changes. That's when you can see the flop, that's when you can see the pearls, that's when you can see the microflakes, all that stuff. So look, take a look at it. You guys see the difference now? Between all 5 colors. Damn, this is how they look indoors, you guys. Check it out. Since this is my homie's shop, I got backdoor access. Here go, ¿cuál te gusta? Yeesh.
Ahí eso depende de ti.
De ti, huh? De mí.
También. Pues ayer hice eso, ¿no?
Ya, me gustan todos ahora. So right here in the back, this is where all the mixing is done. Right here are all the fucking toners to make different colors. Look, like this is the one that we used probably for one of my samples, and here's the other one right here. More toners, more toners. We got your pearls right here, your mica pearls, all different colors. So this one's silver, this one's amber, this one's blue. So you shake it up, and you get your blue pearl. Fuck yeah. And then right here you got more tints. These are tints. These are pearls. These are your toners. Everything goes by weights. These are all toners. I do know how to do all this shit. You got more right here. And you hit this button right here, and then mixes them all up. So you got bright green, you got red, white, you got your pearl, white pearl, all these different fucking colors. Green, yellow green, golden green, blue, lake blue. You can make some sick ass custom colors here. Holy fuck, it's hotter than some of y'all niggas' breath all over that. But anyway, let's continue with the video. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't drove this truck in a minute, you guys. This shit's crazy. It doesn't even have no fucking door panels. The fucking front windshield's fucking all cracked. This fucking door shakes because it doesn't have the trim. And even makes a fucking funny ass noise for some reason, but this shit's dropped, static. Look, when I give it some fucking gas, it sounds like the fucking Jetsons. I don't know if one of you guys, when y'all were kids, y'all used to watch the show The Jetsons, a little fucking, whatever the fuck they were. But check it out. When I give it gas, shit sounds crazy. What the fuck? Ha! Oh, hell nah. I wonder what the fuck that is. It sounds like a vacuum leak or some shit, but when I give it gas, it sounds like that. Look, y'all can hear this shit one more time. I know I'm not tripping. Look. See, I want to give it gas. This makes like a... Look, I'm at a complete stop, and when I give it gas, it sounds like... Watch. Oh, fuck no. This shit reminds me of when I used to have a Honda. You gotta go like at an angle to get in and out of the driveway. Because look, see if y'all can hear it. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Hell nah. This shit's crazy. Making some weird ass noises back here. This shit's clapped out, but when we're done, y'all gonna wanna buy this hoe too, watch. It's just gonna be nice. I like extended cabs. I know most of y'all motherfuckers, y'all don't like them and shit. Y'all say, oh, y'all get it a fucking crew cab or just getting a fucking single cab. Nah, I like extended cabs because I'm a tall ass nigga. I'm 6'2". But anyways, Let's get back to the fucking shop. Made it back to the shop. Pull the truck back in, and I also brought the samples that we did, you guys, so you guys could see, you know, or have an idea of how the color would look on this truck. This is how they look in the shade, and in the sun, this is how they look. So what color, you guys, would you guys want to see my Sierra SS clone? Comment down below what color or what shade of green or what type of green would you guys choose. I'm starting to like this middle one, I'm not gonna lie, it pops out. But for this, fuck, this is gonna be hella wet. It's making me horny, low-key, a la verga. If you see your Toxica mobbing in here with me, just know she likes one of these colors. Ha, no se crean. Just kidding. Fuck yeah. You guys are wondering why the handles are missing. It's because I'm gonna do a texture delete on them, smooth them out. They're gonna be color match. But fuck, just lay them right here. Fuck, it's about to be a sick-ass build, man. We get new headlights too, so don't worry. But anyways, you guys, that's gonna wrap up this fucking video. It is hot as fuck out here in Vegas. I hate the weather over here. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you're new to my fucking channel. Comment down below what color would you guys choose, which one. You know, the first one starting from the left all the way to the right. Let me know, comment down below. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe once again if you haven't already. I'll catch y'all motherfuckers on the next one. Peace.
Never be defeated.